With Russia not learning from their previous mistakes, Ukraine can exploit this time over time, with Russia gathering both vehicles and troops in close proximity within HIMARS range, hoping the forest will cover their movement enough. But as seen previously, this has disaster written all over it, with Ukraine's drone surveillance having no problem finding the targets. Ukraine sent cluster version of the GMLRS rockets, the M30 rocket, striking both vehicle and troops in one strike, destroying more of Russia's vehicles, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.